Thanks everybody for joining us today. We're super excited to have you all with us to celebrate the launch of our new facility and the next step for KUKA Australia. Today we'll be celebrating our history, both achievements of KUKA globally and KUKA Australia.
Cameron and Wade invited me for that session here, so they told me about that event here together with the most important system partners in Australia, and therefore that's a pleasure for me to be here, to extend then the discussions with you in the breaks, to have talks in front of the products, in front of the robot, to know about your needs, about your requirements, your challenges which you have with your customer. So our motto is we keep on moving. So we want to reinvent ourselves. We want to bring a robot to everybody. We want to make it easy and simple to work with our robots.
Our history started in 1999. I've called my presentation Beyond 2000. If you remember, a TV show started off in the 80s, and it really taught Australians what technology was about. They spoke about CD players, they spoke about the history, and that really ties into robotics. So much so that it was relaunched in 2005, and a young Matt Shervington actually went to KUKA Augsburg and got to ride the RoboCoaster. I just think it's fitting that we recognise some of the thought and the belief that we have in technology, and that started in 1999. So now I'd like to invite Alan Pham to the stage. Alan's our crow and has been for the last 5 years. He has 20 years experience in commerce in the APAC region.
Marcus. I am the Global Portfolio Manager. So what we have here is the Albir Easy. The Albir Easy, it's our new collaborative robot. With the Albir Eva, we learned a lot. It was the 7th axis. So we are migrating all that technology onto the Albir Easy, something which is promoting a lot more human-robot collaboration for people.
My name is Marius Hermann. I'm from Germany, from the Digital Services Department. IQT is a cloud-based IoT tool for our KUKA robots. It is running in the cloud. You can access it via web browser. We have like the automotive industry, GI, and it's suitable basically for every industry. We also have connected it to our other services like My KUKA or KUKA Expert, our knowledge database. And you can also send information to our hotline directly from IQT. It helps us with troubleshooting, maintenance planning, and also prevents defects.
We've made a real step change moving into this facility. We've been growing our team, and that's really to strengthen our service that we can provide through our partner network. And today, we've got a really great family of system partners. I think a large number of those were part of that foundation group in 2020, and been great to add a couple of more names to that list.
Industrial intelligence.